Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Android phone is failing to connect to Wi-Fi and displaying obtaining IP address or IP address unavailable error, it means your local router is failing to assign a network address to your device through its DHCP server. I will show you exactly how to bypass this assignment failure and restore your internet access right now. Let's get started. First, the simplest way to force your router to issue a new address is to clear the current saved connection data. Open your phone's main settings application and navigate to the Network and Internet or Connections menu, then tap on Wi-Fi. Find the specific network that is stuck on obtaining an IP address, tap the gear icon next to it, and select the Forget option. Turn your phone's Wi-Fi toggle completely off, wait a few seconds, turn it back on, and tap the network to enter your password again. This initiates a clean handshake with the router and often resolves temporary assignment glitches. Next, if the automatic assignment is completely broken, you can bypass the router's DHCP server entirely by manually forcing a static IP address onto your device. Go back to your Wi-Fi settings menu and tap the gear icon next to your network. Look for the advanced options and find the menu labeled IP settings, which is usually set to DHCP by default. Change this setting to static. In the IP address field, you will need to manually type in an address that matches your router's default gateway, but change the very last number to something higher to avoid conflicts. For example, if your gateway uses the standard format, carefully type 192.168.1.150 into the IP address field and tap Save. Finally, if your phone still cannot obtain a connection, a deeper software glitch within Android's network stack might be causing the block. Open your main settings application and scroll all the way down to the General Management or System menu. Tap on the Reset options and look for the specific button labeled Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth, or Reset Network Settings. Tap the Reset Settings button to confirm. This is a nuclear option that will completely wipe all of your saved Wi-Fi passwords and paired Bluetooth devices, but it restores your phone's core network drivers to their factory defaults, guaranteeing a fresh connection the next time you log in to your router. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.